All right. So this is a pair of balls of steel, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how this pair of balls of steel helped me close a high ticket client that paid me north of 2000 US dollars.
Yo, what is up, you beautiful people? Another day, another vlog. So, today is gonna be another boring day. So, right now, I finished my call with the sales team and I'm building some SOPs for for Alpha Club members and for my team as well. And then I have some one-to-one calls, some sales calls, some consulting calls. I'll do those and then we'll end the day. So that's what the plan is. Today night we have the webinar, so hopefully it goes well and people love my presentation. So let's get started. Right, I'm back with the lunch, and in the first half, we did record a lot of the videos for the coaching of Alpha Club. But now I feel like I should be recording some, YouTube shorts. So that the other day I was learning how to do YouTube shorts, and I hired a guy. So I'm making the payment to him today, and then what I will be doing is I'll be shooting some shorts.
Businesses are backed by passion but are built on skills. Most people have passion but not the later. And my go-to strategy to build a business is to find that skill that I can use to find clients to get the first initial set of customers. The fact that I'm passionate about it is great, but I'll not completely depend on it. While building a business, I would pick out an industry that I don't hate, not an industry that I absolutely love, because the industry that I absolutely love may not be profitable. Passion is a great motivator to start the business, but you need skills to take it along. I hope that helps.
Have the next one-to-one call. Oh, hey, I have a client who is on the call, so I'll finish this and then I'll do the recordings. All right, chalo, bye bye. Hey, what is up? So, a long hectic day today. We shot a course in the morning, daytime. Then I went for lunch, had a good nap. And then in the afternoon, I had some consulting calls and I had a little bit of. And yeah, you know what? And since afternoon, I had consulting calls that went up to now. So today it's 7 p.m. Funny thing is, I have a webinar at 9 and I have not prepared my slide decks yet. So I have one more consulting call from 7 to 7:30 and then probably I'll start creating the webinar slides. I have a overview of what I'll be presenting. I'll be talking mostly about why high ticket sales are important, my own journey, and some of the results that we have gotten to the clients. Then I'll talk about where are people going wrong, and it frustrates me a lot when I see uh, when I see people sell. And I just hate it. Like I feel like, is there a better sales system in the country of India? And that's where I've developed my own framework. Is what I'll be teaching here, and then we'll be launching our sales mastery program. So I have developed an entire curriculum and coaching program around it, so I'll be launching that in the webinar. So yeah, fun time, and that's what we'll do. Thank you very much.
All right. So this is a pair of balls of steel, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how this pair of balls of steel helped me close a high ticket client that paid me north of 2000 US dollars.